Welcome to Cloud Tech Talk. How are you protecting your Windows Virtual Desktop environment? Let us discuss about how to secure Windows Virtual Desktop deployment with Azure Security Center. Considering the shared responsibility model, here are the security needs customers are responsible for in Windows Virtual Desktop deployment. Network and deployment configuration. Session host OS. Application security and identity. These needs should be examined both in the context of security posture as well as threat protection. Here is an example. Misconfiguration of the VM's network layer can increase the attack surface and result in a compromised endpoint. One thing we want to ensure is that all management ports should be closed on your Windows Virtual Desktop virtual machines. Once your users are connected to their Windows Virtual Desktop session, they might be manipulated to browse to a malicious site or connect to a malicious machine. This can also happen in case there is malware on the machine. Analyzing the network traffic to detect that your machine has communicated with what is possibly a command and control center is another protection layer. Azure Security Center. The following security posture management and threat protection capabilities for Windows Virtual Desktop VMs. Secure configuration assessment and secure score. Industry-tested vulnerability assessment. Host-level detections. Agentless cloud network microsegmentation and detection. File integrity monitoring. Just-in-time VM access. Adaptive application controls. You can find the complete list of recommendations and alerts in the following Azure Security Center reference guides now. Security recommendations. Alerts list. Switching to the Azure Security Center portal, we can see the Windows Virtual Desktop host pool VMs under Compute and Apps followed by the VMs and Servers tab, as well as their respective secure score and status. Drilling down to a specific VM will show the full recommendation list as well as the severity level. These VMs are also assessed for compliance with different regulatory requirements, built-in or custom ones, and any compliance issues will be flagged out under the Regulatory Compliance dashboard. In addition, security alerts will be showing under Threat Protection followed by Security Alerts. Both security alerts and recommendations can be consumed and managed from the Security Center portal or can be exported to other tools for further analysis and remediation. One great example would be integrating Azure Security Center with Azure Sentinel as part of monitoring the Windows Virtual Desktop environment. Let's understand how to enable Azure Security Center for Windows Virtual Desktop environment. Azure Security Center free tier provides security recommendations and secure score for Windows Virtual Desktop deployments. To enable all protection capabilities, you should follow these two steps. Make sure you have Azure Security Center standard tier. Enable threat protection for virtual machines. And one last tip. If you are using Azure DevOps CI/CD pipelines together with Windows 10 Azure VM Image as a solution for continuous build and deploy of the Windows Virtual Desktop solution, you are most likely using Azure Key Vault for the secret management. If not already enabled, setting up threat protection for Azure Key Vault should be your next stop. We are sure there are plenty more ideas out there and we would love to see the community submitting them to our GitHub repo. Thank you for watching the video on securing Windows Virtual Desktop deployment. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.